My name is Elaine Veasy and I have been a realtor since 2013 in SWFL. Experience luxury living in this new construction home for rent, ideally located near Sunshine Boulevard and Lee Boulevard with quick access to I-75, SR 82, and Southwest Florida International Airport. This move-in ready 3-bedroom plus den, 3 full bathroom home offers a spacious open concept floor plan perfect for modern living. 1 bedroom features a private ensuite bath with separate entrance, ideal for guests, multi-generational living, or a private home office setup. Designed with upscale finishes throughout, this home boasts soaring high ceilings, porcelain tile flooring, and premium details in every room. The chef's kitchen is a standout with custom cabinetry, built-in double-wall ovens, and an expansive layout perfect for entertaining. The primary suite offers a spa-like retreat complete with a jacuzzi soaking tub, separate walk-in shower, dual vanities, and a large walk-in closet. Enjoy Florida living in the fully fenced backyard, perfect for pets, privacy, and outdoor entertaining. Conveniently located near shopping, dining, schools, major highways, and the airport, this home combines luxury, location, and functionality. First month, last month, and 1 month security deposit required. Non-refundable.